Inspiration, art, luxury, elegance. Skywalker, Dreamweaver on the sea. Skywalker is dedicated to the research, development, and manufacturing of high-quality yachts. We customize unique luxury experiences for clients worldwide. Our team boasts extensive experience integrating innovative design with exquisite craftsmanship to embark with you on an extraordinary yachting journey. Skywalker upholds an ultimate pursuit of luxurious aesthetics with the boldness to break conventions, turning yachts into exclusive works of art. With rigorous manufacturing and a commitment to excellence, we have established a stringent integrated process. The meticulous hand layup of fiberglass ensures each layer is seamlessly bonded, impeccable. After undergoing several processes, including vacuum infusion, the hull structure achieves greater strength. We use marine-grade plywood in higher quality, offering superior performance in waterproofing and moisture resistance. Our meticulous craftsmanship results in Skywalker's impressive attention to detail, achieving masterpieces of unparalleled beauty. We have witnessed the transformation and elevation of metal's beauty. Every inch of metal is polished like a mirror by time itself. It is a contest of skill and an elevation of art, as well as a relentless pursuit of excellence. The scientific electromechanical system ensures safer and more reliable operation, achieving a perfect blend of power and elegance. We have explored and practiced more in terms of yacht style and design, whether it be the hull structure, the lines of the vessel, or the interior layout. Every Skywalker yacht is a masterpiece tailored for our clients. Skywalker yachts integrate advanced technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and unique design, bringing you unparalleled comfort, reliability, performance, and status symbol. Skywalker acts more than just the master of yacht customization, but also the dreamweaver of luxurious ocean lifestyle.